Hi, my name is Sheikh Rahman. I'm going to give you an introduction on section 172.302 on general requirements for bulk packaging. Bulk packaging is a form of packaging used when transporting materials without the aid of ocean vessels and barges. Bulk packaging can be identified by maximum capacity greater than 450-liter containers, maximum set mass greater than 400 kilograms, and a water capacity greater than 454 kilograms. There are several requirements for bulk packaging that allow for safe and secure transfer of materials on the highway. The process and use of these requirements were to design the proper handling of container and transport vehicles for safe transport. In order to transport hazardous materials in a bulk packaging, the packaging must be marked with the identification number marking that is specified for the materials carried on board. When labeling containers of bulk packaging, the label must be at least on each side and each end if the package is a capacity of 1,000 gallons or more. The package must be marked on two opposing sides if the package has a capacity less than 1,000 gallons. Markings on bulk packaging must meet the specification related to the dimensions of the package. The markings must have a width of at least 6 millimeters and a height of 100 millimeters on rail cars. Markings must have a width of at least 4 millimeters and a height of 25 millimeters on portable tanks with capacities of less than 1,000 gallons and IBCs. For all other bulk packagings and cargo tanks, the markings must have at least 6 millimeters width and 15 millimeters in height labeling. Some bulk packagings require special permit packagings. The outside of these packagings must have a plainly and durably marked letters DOT -SP followed by a special permit number. In addition, there must be a proper shipping name, common name or identification number as required by this regulation. Bulk packaging containers must continue to remain marked when it is emptied. This does not apply when the container is specifically cleaned and sufficiently cleaned of residuals and purged of vapors to remove the potential hazards. This regulation may also not apply when it's refilled with materials requiring different sets of markings or even no markings at all. This would mean that refilling materials is non-reacting to such an extent that the residuals remaining in the packaging would no longer be hazardous to the new material. In addition, this regulation does not require bulk packaging marked prior to October 1st, 1991 to be remarked. The containers, if the keyword of the proper shipping names are identical to those that are currently specified in accordance with the regulation section 172.101, which is the purpose and use of hazardous materials table. Shipping containers must, such as rail cars, freight containers, truck bodies, and trailers, where the lading has been fumigated with hazardous material or is presently under fumigation, must be plainly marked in accordance with section 173.9, which is the transport vehicles or freight containers containing lading which has been fumigated section. Thank you.